Hi, thanks for watching. Today we're going to be talking about how to find the actual sellers, potential sellers, so that we can either wholesale our deals or either flip the properties. And so what I use is a program called Propstream. And Propstream, I believe, has like a 7-day trial that you can actually use. I think it's like $99 or something a month if you actually decide to do it. It may be different, I don't know, but you can feel free to check. But Propstream allows me to quickly find sellers in the area. I'm going to take a look at the different properties that I could potentially use. I'm going to log into Propstream here. And I'm going to say, for example, that I want to search for the Baton Rouge area. All right, so I'm going to filter out the Baton Rouge area. Propstream is very good by giving me detailed information about everything. So we have my list of sold properties, how many failed listings, which is something that I actually want to look at, and absentee owners. Absentee owners mean people who actually own property that may actually live outside of the state, outside of the city, or they may actually live within the same city, but they don't reside in the house that they are actually own. For example, you may have a homeowner that has their house and they have 2 or 3 more houses, and so they're considered to be an absentee owner with the other 2 or 3 houses that they actually own. So I'm going to take a look at the failed listings, and what will happen is it'll bring up all of the failed listings for the Baton Rouge area. In this example, I can choose which ones that I want. I'm going to just say that I want these 4. And I want to know the names and addresses, how much they owe, what their taxes are. I'm going to download this list. I'm going to say this is a sample list 4 because I have some other sample list in here. So I'm going to say sample list 4. It tells me I have 10,000 downloads that I can do every month. And so once I find them, I'm going to come to my properties. I'm going to use my search and I'm going to look up that list that I just did. And it's going to bring me up my sample list, and I'm going to have my 4 individuals here. It gives me the person's name. It gives me the mailing address. It gives me the property type, how many bedrooms and baths. It tells me the square footage of the property. It tells me the last date that it was actually sold. It even tells me the remaining balance of the property and what type of equity I'm looking for. So this will allow me to quickly assess the property to see if this is something that I even want to mail a letter to or a postcard to see if they're interested in actually selling the property. If they are, then of course, then I send it out to my list of available buyers. Of course, there's cash buyers that are in here that we saw on the other screen. That's another video that I actually did. So Propstream is very beneficial with that. The good thing about Propstream is that they will actually do skip tracing for you, and it's 12 cents to skip trace. They can actually mail out postcards for you. Skip tracing allows you to it provides the phone numbers for these individuals so that you don't actually have to Google them yourself. It'll find all of the information that you need. So if you find the information in this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.